Let's take a look at the biggest news stories from India. First up, Delhi now has a total of 100 Atal canteens, providing affordable meals to poor and needy people for just 5 rupees. On the death anniversary of former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee, the Delhi government launched 25 additional Atal canteens. Mukhyamantri Rekha Gupta and former Vice President Venkaiah Naidu inaugurated a new canteen in Timarpur. The government says the initiative is inspired by Atal Bihari Vajpayee's vision and aims to provide affordable and nutritious food to those in need. Meanwhile, a controversy is growing in Maharashtra over the Marathi language requirement for taxi and auto drivers. The state government has made working knowledge and use of Marathi mandatory for drivers. Those who do not have practical knowledge of the language will initially get 1 month to comply. If they fail to meet the requirement, their license could be suspended for up to 3 months. The government has refused to extend the deadline beyond August 15th, while several taxi and auto drivers in Mumbai are demanding more time. In Ayodhya, a new dress code has come into effect at the Ram Temple from August 15th. The rules apply to temple priests and employees involved in services at the temple. Along with clothing requirements, the guidelines also focus on cleanliness and discipline. The temple committee says the dress code is designed to bring uniformity and maintain religious dignity during puja and temple services, in accordance with the Ramanandacharya tradition. The country also remembered former Prime Minister and Bharat Ratna recipient Atal Bihari Vajpayee on his 8th death anniversary. Prime Minister Narendra Modi paid floral tribute at Sadaiv Atal in New Delhi. President Draupadi Murmu, Vice President C.P. Radhakrishnan, Defense Minister Rajnath Singh, and several other leaders also paid their respects. Former President Ramnath Kovind, Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla, and Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta were among those who remembered the former Prime Minister. And finally, the student protest in Ranchi has entered its 24th day. Students continue their agitation at Jaipal Singh Munda Stadium, demanding action over alleged irregularities in recruitment examinations. 3 rounds of talks between the government and students have already taken place without a final solution. A 4th round of talks is proposed for Monday and could prove crucial. Meanwhile, students have announced plans to get out the Chief Minister's residence on August 20th. The next round of talks could determine whether the protest continues or a breakthrough is reached.